Today I'll present my presentation about the Cerberus fossae geological map. I'm Claudio Orlanducci, I'm a PhD student in Poland. And Mars we know to be a complex planet. So, Cerberus fossae is one of these demonstrations because it's a very complex area, and we can see the location when on Mars where it's located. So, principally they used the data used have been CTX images, focused principally on the lava flows, useful for interpretation because it was the major interesting features. And then I used also some high-rise images where available. As a support, has been used also TEMIS images and the Murray Lab CTX global clipped to the area. And here we can see, for instance, as the lava flows will be present in different images. So here we have a CTX scale, regional scale, sorry, local scale, and we can see as a first difference, no, between the morphology presence and for the color and the trend, etc. But these characteristics are more highlighted in the TEMIS, so we can see very well the orientation of this lava flow and how they distinguishes, using also other properties related to the rock principally presented and the structurally interested in the area. And this is the geological map that's been realized, and we can see that principally from interpretation of images have been detected three main units. In theory are two, so this is the most recent, this is the oldest, you have a few, and this is has been considered a transition unit because are present both the characteristics of the previous two. And they are Amazonian lava flows, and four key areas inside are: the first is this crater where we can see in the high-rise image of this was filled during the invasion by the lava flow in the area. And here we can see also other feature characteristics present. These are ridge, volcanic ridge, probably due to the interaction of the two lava flows during their depositions. Here, another cases of crater filled with volcanic material and then also aeolian materials here present in this is most recent. And then in detail, we can see the transition units where it's possible to see of the characteristic of both the unit are totally mixed. So this is an image that I request to the RISE team to focus on this structure in particular. It's difficult to say because it's not visible totally, but could be dike or volcanic dike or a fault probably, but it's very difficult to say and are very diffuse in the area. But we can have an idea of the complexity of the geology of this area in general. So in conclusion, we can say that the geological map is very useful to understand and improve the interpretation. So we can see all the geological map of the total area is very huge, but improvement of this work could be useful to give new informations, because now we have a detail respect to a general interpretation done before, and could be useful also to understand if it's possible in future to be landing site or to obtain samples to analyze in detail this type of lab. So thank you very much. Here are some suggested papers about Cerberus fossae, and thank you for attention and for the